On today's show, you're gonna learn how to draw this. I can't wait to see how yours turns out. And then we're gonna sing a song. It's gonna be amazing. Welcome to Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Artie's show. Today's show's going to be awesome. We're going to draw something really fun together. Are you ready?
It's art time!
Let's get drawing.
Let's make art. Let's make art. Let's make art. But first we should start. Okay, come on. Let's start. Hi. Bobby!
I'm just gonna sit here and watch if that's okay.
Okay. I mean, you surprised me, but okay. Keep watching, because in a few minutes, we're all going to sing a song. Ooh, all this drawing's making me tired. Let's have a little break and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3.
I see the flakes, they start to fall. Tiny diamonds, one and all, they shimmer bright against the wall. The window frost with icy lace, I press my nose to find my place. The snow is dancing all in space. And oh, it twirls so slow. A quiet world where whispers go. It's snowing in Artie's studio. Oh, can you hear the sleigh bells glow? It's snowing in Artie's studio. The world outside is wrapped in snow.
The floor is cold beneath my feet, but music makes the chill retreat. A melody so soft and sweet.
The piano hums a winter tune, the fire crackles to the moon. The stars outside will join us soon.
Wasn't that a really fun song? I hope you were dancing along and singing too. Anyway, time to carry on with our drawing now. Are you ready? Here we go. I love drawing so much.
Say, Artie, that's a really cool drawing from a really cool dude. Makes me want to sing. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, that was a really, really hard one, wasn't it? But it was worth it. Look how good it looks. I'm so happy with it. Just one more thing though. We've got to color it in.
It's time to color in.
I'm finished! Wow, it came out really, really good. I'm so pleased with it. I love the colour and the shapes. Oh, Artie, very proud of this one.
Well, that's the end of the show. See you later.
Thanks for watching the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing. Hope to see you again soon. Have an Artie day!